Oh, well, good morning, Full Gas fam. So, the plan for today is to go to Red Sand. It's been a while since I've been there, so I thought, yeah, it will be good to make a vlog from today. I'm just about to get changed, go for a small morning walk. It'll be nice before breakfast, so you wake up a bit. There we go, so now I'm ready for a small walk. My plan today was to also film every meal, so you get to know what I eat in one day. It's not going to be what I eat on average, because I'm in a hotel and yeah, every day is different here, but yeah, you get a clue. So let's go for a walk.
Are you ready for phase one?
That looks amazing.
So that was what I ate for breakfast. Two bread, with one with honey and one with jam. And then two egg and one yogurt and coffee and water. Now it's getting a little bit brighter outside. I think it's time to head to the tracks, so let's go. So then we are in the camper, soon ready to take off to the track, so will be a good day of riding, I think. First day of boot camp, so yeah, let's go to the track. El Cerquito looking perfecto today. Esta salto no muy bien.
Spanish boy.
Spanish. Looking good. Well, so showing what I ate for the whole day already went to by the time it was lunch, but between the first and second riding I ate a tuna fish sandwich, then and for lunch I ate chicken and spaghetti, and then between third and fourth training I ate a sandwich with honey to get my energy up because I was getting really tired. But as you can see now, I have my cycling gear on, so let's head to the hotel. Oh, it's cold. It's cold out here. Yeah, on the other side of the mountain it was sunny and nice and everything was good. Then we crossed the mountain and here it's all clouds, really cold, and I think it's about to start raining. So hopefully that doesn't happen. I just want to let you know that on Instagram I'm reaching 10k soon, and when that happens I will do a giveaway of something. I have not decided what I will give away yet, but I will do a giveaway on Instagram, so you need to go follow me there and see what's up. Stay updated and check out when something happens there. So yeah, let's get this ride finished. Hopefully it don't start to rain. Yeah, see you in the hotel. So, cycling done. It was a cold one, good one, 1 hour from the track. Now it's time to get a shower, get some rest, and yeah, let's go to the room. Look at that. Since I'm getting a time lapse there of the cloudy here, hope it works out. Because of that, I'm filming with my phone. But yeah, I'm eating a Caesar salad now, while I'm going to go edit some. Just done with a shower, so yeah, let's do that for a while. Yeah, so we're back from dinner, had a nice meal. Now I'm editing more videos. Yeah, the video from yesterday with a Q&A day. A fun video to watch, I think. It's very informative, and if you like to hear me talking into the camera, then you need to check that out. So today was a good day of training. 4 times 45 minutes session training on the sand track at Red Sand. It was good training. I got some cool clips in slow motion. That's nice. So overall a positive day. Tomorrow is a photo shoot day with Kramer in Red Sun also. So that will be good. Now it's time for the daily question. We end the video with the daily question. Do you have any favorite rider in MX or SX? Let's do a states favorite rider in the 250 and 450, and the MXGP favorite rider in the 250 and 450. Okay, so let's start with America. My favorite 250 rider is probably Zach Osborne. I know him a little bit because he was in Norway a couple years ago, so I love his aggressive style and it's nice to watch. And then in the 450 it's so many guys that are good, but 3 of my favorite is Barca, Anderson and Roxen. I like the aggressive riders and they are really aggressive. And then in the MX2 World Championship it's probably Jorge because yeah, I like his style, smooth rider. And in the 450 actually I got Fevre. I like his riding style a lot. Shame he had some injuries, but I think he's back this year, so hope for a good season for him. But that rounds out this video, guys, so hope you have enjoyed watching. Tomorrow is photoshoot day, so watch out for that video. Until next time, full gas. Bye.